Hi friends, already last class we have discussed about angles made by the transversal line. What is transversal line? What is corresponding angles? What is alternate interior angles, exterior angles? So many angles are we have discussed. Just little bit few points I will explain. After I will do few sums. If we know these two lines are parallel lines, this is a transversal line because this line is intersect two distant points. That's why this is a transversal line. Few important points, very important. The first one is if two lines are, for example, L is parallel to M and N is a transversal line. What is the first point means? If two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. If two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. And the second one is if two lines are parallel, then interior alternate angles are equal. These two are interior alternate angles. Already these types of angles already I can explain. Interior alternate angles are equal. And the third one is exterior alternate angles also equal, and fourth point is the sum of co-interior angles are supplementary or 180 degrees. And the fifth point is sum of co-exterior angle is also supplementary or 180 degrees. These 5 points are very important. If two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal, and interior alternate angles also equal, exterior alternate angles also equal. Sum of co-interior angles is 180, and sum of co-exterior alternate angles is also 180 degrees. This is contradiction. This reverse is also same. If corresponding angles are equal, then two lines are parallel. If interior alternate angles are equal, then two lines are parallel. Same like that only. If sum of co-interior angles is 180 means is also these two lines are parallel. Just I will do few sums. Listen. This one understood? Okay, very nice. For example, all of you observe this figure. These two lines are parallel. For example, this line name is A, B. This line C, D. This is a transversal line. Okay? This is a transversal line. For example, this angle 50 degrees. And for example, this is X, this is Y. Then what is the value of X and Y? Once observe, here 50 and X, these two are forming linear pair. We know linear pair means the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, then form a linear pair. That means the sum of two angles is 180 degrees. That means 50 plus X is equals to 180 degrees. Then X is equals to 180 minus 50. 180 minus 50 value? Yes, 130 degrees. X value is 130 degrees. And how to find Y? Already we know X and Y are these two angles are interior alternate angles. If two lines are parallel, already is given AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD already given. Then this interior alternate angles are equal. That means Y value is also 130 degrees because X and Y are interior alternate angles. Okay? Easily we can do this sum. Okay? If we know this concept clearly, easily we can do this sum. Same like this. Again one sum I can explain. Just listen. This is AB one line. This is CD, E, F. Okay. This is a transversal line. Here angle X. This angle is Y and this angle is Z. Okay. Here another information is also given. AB is parallel to CD. AB and CD are parallel and CD is parallel to EF. CD is parallel to EF and angle Y is to angle Z is equals to 3 is to 7. Angle Y is to angle Z is equals to 3 is to 7. Then what is the value of angle X? Then what is the value of angle X? Here ratio is given. Here ratio is given. That means that I take Y is equals to 3A. Okay? We can multiply any constants. Like that angle Z is equals to I take 7A. Once observe angle Z, angle Y. We know these two are vertically opposite angles. Every time vertical opposite angles are equal and this angle is also Y. Angle Y, angle Z are which angles? Angle Y and angle Z are S, co-interior angles. We know if two lines are parallel, then co-interior angles are, the sum of co-interior angles are 180 degrees. That means angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degrees. We know angle Y is 3A plus angle Z is 7A is equals to 180. That implies 3A plus 7A, 10A is equals to 180. Then A is equals to 180 by 10 means is nothing but 18 degrees. A value we know 18 degrees. Then what is the value of angle X? Already here X and Y are co-interior angles. X and Y are co-interior angles. First of all, we can find Y value. We know Y value we take 3A. That means here Y is equals to 3A. We know A value is 18. 3 into 18. 18 3 are 54 degrees. That means angle Y is equals to 54 degrees. Angle Y value is 54 degrees. We know angle X and Y are co-interior angles. That means see this ones. X plus Y is equals to 180 degrees. Sum of co-interior angles are we know 180 degrees. X value we don't know. Y value we know 54 degrees. 54 is equals to 180. Then angle X is equals to 180 minus 54. We can subtract. X is equals to 126. X is equals to 126 degrees. First of all, these two are co-interior angles. That's why we can add these two. We can find A value. After we can A value substitute Y is equal to 3A. Then we can find Y value. After we know X and Y are co-interior angles. The sum of co-interior angles 180. Then angle X is equals to 126 degrees. Same like these sums we can do. We can try. Okay. Thank you.